Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arpita and today we will create this bridal look, and you can carry this look with a pink lehenga, with a pink sari, and मैंने तो अभी कुछ भी ज्वेलरी नहीं पहना है क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरे पास है नहीं. तो if you wear a मांग टीका and a good gorgeous set and this looks beautiful. आजकल के brides वो बहुत ज़्यादा stark look या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड लुक पसंद नहीं करते हैं, वो बहुत ज़्यादा सटल लुक पसंद करते हैं क्योंकि अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा मेकअप का जो ट्रेंड है वो चेंज हो चुका है. सो फिर भी अगर आपको इतना डार्क लिप्स पसंद नहीं है तो आप न्यूड भी कर सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड डू ट्राई दिस लुक ऑन योर ब्राइड्स और ऑन योर सेल्फ, ओके. एंड लेट मी नो कि आपको ये लुक कैसा लगा. एज यू नो गाइज, मैं अपने हर एक वीडियो में एक हैक बताती हूँ. मैंने इस वीडियो में भी एक हैक बताया हुआ है और मैंने इस वीडियो में हुडेड आइज़ के ऊपर एक हैक बताया हुआ है. तो आप ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना एंड डू टेक द बेनिफिट ऑफ द हैक. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट गाइज. आज मैं एक ब्राइडल मेकअप करने जा रही हूँ जो कि एक फुल कवरेज मेकअप होता है. इसकी वजह से मैंने एक आई क्रीम भी यूज़ किया है. आपके पास जो भी आई क्रीम है आप वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ माई लिप बाम. Okay, I'll take some, just hydrate my lips, and now I'm going to do my brows first and then I will come back to you. Great. And now we are going to do our concealer, and for that I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Take some product here and I will take my flat brush like this. So guys, I am planning to make a video on my eyebrow tutorial, so where I will show you how to do my eyebrows, okay. And now let's move on to the eyeshadow part, and today I'm going to use this palette from Iconic, okay. And I will take a fluffy brush like this, and I will take this light brown shade first. I'll take product, the Perfect Excess, and I will define my crease line. Alright guys, now I will take another shade, and that is this pink color, okay. Take some product here, and I will put it on my lid. अब मैं एक small eyeshadow brush लूँगी and I will concentrate on the outer wing only, like this, okay. And I will take this color. अब मैं ये जो दोनों कलर है, बेसिकली तीनों कलर को एक साथ अच्छे से ब्लेंड करूँगी so that there is no harsh line. Now I will take a small flat brush like this and I will take this shimmer shade, okay. This is a very beautiful shade, like a pink wine kind of shimmer shade, and I will put it in the inner corner. Put it halfway, okay. Don't cover your full lid, just put it halfway. And now I will take this golden shade. I'll place it in the middle, okay, like this, okay. और मैं इसको थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ भी लेके जाऊंगी, okay, like this. Similarly to the other eye. And now guys, you can stop here or you can add some shimmer to make it more loud. I'll show it to you how to do it. I will take this one from Swiss Beauty. Its name Galaxy, and I would take some in the middle. Okay. Just do it. And also this one. This is earthy bronze from Swiss Beauty. Alright. I'll concentrate more to the inner corner. Now just run your brush once to give it a nice blend. Alright, now we will do a very beautiful wing liner with this Nika eyeliner, pot liner, and I'll use my Vega eyeliner brush. Now we are done with our upper eyelid, and now we will do our lower lash line. For that, I'm going to take my kajal. This is from Purple. I will hold my eyes like this, and I will fill in my upper waterline. In my last video, guys, I have shared that why do we put a liner in our upper waterline, so please do watch that video to know that. For the lower lash line, guys, I will take this pink first, okay, and I will do the outer corner, and I will take the golden, okay, and I'll put it in the middle. Again, I will take the pink one for the inner corner. I'm just trying to match this with my upper eyelid. Now I will do kajal for my lower waterline. Now I will directly start with my primer, and I'm going to use my Nika primer for that. Now I will use my color correcting palette from Purple, and I will take a flat brush like this. I'll take some product. First of all, I will concentrate on my red active acne or the redness on my face, and then I will do the orange corrector. I'll take my beauty blender and blend this out. So today I'm going to take my PAC Spotlight foundation because I'm doing full coverage base. So I will take a pump and I will just warm it up. And I will blend this well. Now I will use my highlighter to highlight my eye area. Right now we will do a cream contour. I generally don't do one, but क्योंकि आज मैं bridal कर रही हूँ, that's why I'm going to take this shade for my contouring. I'll take my brush. forgot to tell you, this palette is from Glam 21. Now for the blush, I'm going to take this matte lip crayon. I will take some on my hand, okay, like this, and then I will just do this. And now I will blend it with my contour. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Illuminator. Okay, I'll take some on the back of my hand. This is in the shade golden pink. This actually looks like this, okay, और फिर जब आप इसको ऐसे blend करेंगे then it will turn to pink. Just put some here. And on my nose. And now we will powder lock our face. And I'm going to take my sugar translucent powder again. Take my brush. I'm not going to use my translucent powder on the areas I have contoured and put blush, क्योंकि मैं already वहाँ पे powder contour और powder blush लगाने वाली हूँ, तो मैं उसको और ज़्यादा पैक नहीं करना चाहती प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ. And now I will take my contouring palette and I'll take a brush. I'll take some product. I will do my nose. And also the jawline. And now I will take my M&M big blusher plus highlighter. I will do both the work from this. And now I will just take my powder brush and just roll it all over my face actually, to blend everything well. I will take my pink lip shade, lip liner basically, and now I will take my lip crayon, this one, okay, and I'll just fill the lips. And now we will highlight our brow bone, and also I'll give you the hack for the hooded eyes. So guys, for those who have hooded eyes, you can take your highlighter, okay, take a pencil brush like this, sorry, and take your highlighter and put it in the inner corner. Like this, and see the magic. This will automatically open up your eyes, okay. So do this when you are doing your next makeup. Okay, now I will do my mascara, and I'm not thinking of putting lashes. This is a bridal look. You can of course go for falsies, but I am not a big fan of falsies. So I will do my mascara, okay, and I'll get ready and come back. Thank you so much guys for watching. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो please like and share my videos, and also do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a notification from my end. I'll be back with my new videos soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.